Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into one of the most important skills everyone needs to master: budgeting. Budgeting. Whether you're trying to save for a dream vacation, get out of debt, or simply stop living paycheck to paycheck, these 7 budgeting tips and tricks will set you on the right path. Stick around because the number 7 might just change how you look at your finances forever. First up, know your numbers. And I'm not just talking about your income. You need to know exactly how much money is coming in and coming out every month. So this is what I used to use in 2020, 2021 when I just got new into finance. I track every money that comes in, month out. So you need to track your spending at least for 30 days. You can use an app, a spreadsheet, or even this good old-fashioned pen and paper. Once you see exactly where your money is going, you know that 5,000 naira you are spending in child deck every day adds up to about 150,000 naira a month. So please and please know your numbers. The next tip is the 50-30-20 rule. This rule is a simple budgeting framework, and here's how it works. 50% of your income goes to your needs, things like your rent, your groceries, and your utilities. 30% goes for your wants, like your entertainment and your dining out and your subscriptions. And 20% goes to your savings or paying off your debt. So you have to pay off your debt or you save. You can't do both at the same time, so you don't get it does not get stringent for you. This budget doesn't fit. If this budget doesn't fit entirely into your breakdown, that's okay. It's just a guideline that you can follow while you create your own budget. Next is automate your savings. Saving money should not be hard. You need to just automate it. Set up an automatic transfer to your savings account as soon as your paycheck hits. You can use apps like Piggyvest or Carrywise. I also recommend savings challenges because some of you, from my record, some people would actually automate their savings. I'll purposely not put money into that savings, into that account they automate on. I run a personal finance brand named Elite Savers, where we organize yearly savings challenge. We have the daily, weekly, monthly. I'll be dropping the link to my business Instagram page in the comment. You can actually just chat us up and join the savings challenge we have scheduled for 2025. Please save. Saving is very much important, and it will save you in the time of your need. 1,000 naira every day is 365,000 naira in a year. That 1,000 naira that you tip people recklessly or use to eat shawarma, if you save it every day, it equals 365,000 naira. So please, savings is very important. The next tip is use cash to monitor your spending. This one is a game changer for overspenders. Take out a set amount of cash at the start of the week for things like food, for transport, shopping, data, for recharge card. Once the cash is gone, you are done spending. It's a simple way to stick to a budget without feeling restricted. So this is a very, very important budgeting tip you need to follow. The next tip is review your subscription regularly. When was the last time you checked your subscriptions? Streaming services, gym memberships, and apps that can quietly drain your wallet. Take 10 minutes this week to review them or cancel anything you don't use regularly. I remember once I once subscribed to a quarterly gym subscription, and I could only go for 1 month. That 2 months just got wasted. That app you subscribe or that game you paid for, $10 a month can put $120 back in your pocket. So please review all your subscriptions. It will save you a lot. Next tip is meal prep to save big. Food is one of the easiest place to overspend. Meal prepping can save you hundreds of nairas a month. Plan your meals for the week, buy groceries in bulk, and cook at home. Yes, you people that have gone and make friends with Glover and Child, they cook at home. Bonus, you eat healthier too. Who doesn't love a win-win situation? Please, cook at home. It's important. Next and the final tip I promised you: budget for fun. Budget for fun. Yes, you can treat yourself without guilt. The key is to set aside a specific amount each month for things. For me, I budget like 50,000 naira to hang out with the girls in a month. And I know that once that 50,000 naira is off, I'm not going to be outside. I'm going to be inside. That way, if you budget for fun, you can enjoy it guilt free because you planned for it. So please learn to budget for fun. There you have it. 7 simple tips to take control of your budget and your life. Remember, budgeting isn't about saying no to everything. It's about saying yes to the things that really matter. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe for more. Let me know in the comments what's your favorite budgeting trick. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.